Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving straight into Day 1, identifying the presence of water. Hello 10th graders. आज हम इस amazing concept को completely master करेंगे ताकि आप अपनी daily assessment में absolute perfect score कर सके. Are you ready? Let's get into it.
Here's our quick roadmap for this session. We're going to cover why test for water, the copper sulfate test, the reversible process, and then we'll wrap up with an MCQ and SQ knowledge check.
All right, first step, why test for water?
So why do we even need to test for water in the real world? I mean, देखकर ही पता चल जाता है ना? Well, not always. Water testing is actually absolutely crucial for the food industry, and it's essential for the pharmaceutical industry. Why? Because it directly affects product quality and safety.
देखें, अगर मेडिसिन्स या पैकेज्ड फूड में थोड़ा सा भी हिडन मॉइस्चर रह जाए, इट कैन लिटरली रूइन द प्रोडक्ट. केमिकल रिएक्शन स्टार्ट हो सकती हैं. सो वाटर टेस्टिंग सिर्फ एक बोरिंग टेक्स्ट बुक कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. इट्स अ मैसिव, vital safety step for these huge industries.
Okay, moving on to the main event, the copper sulfate test. Just look at this highly sensitive chemical test in action. The exact second a drop of water is added, the chemical's color changes instantly. अब इस visual को अपने mind में prominently lock कर लें. The moment water touches it, white immediately turns to blue. ये white से blue का sudden change ही water की exact presence को confirm करता है. Let's break down the signs here. On the left side, we have anhydrous copper 2 sulfate, which is white in color and completely without water. On the right side, we have hydrated copper 2 sulfate, which is blue in color and contains exactly 5 water molecules. इसको याद रखने का एक बहुत ही simple trick है. The prefix and literally means without, and hydra means water. तो anhydrous का मतलब है बिना पानी के, which is the whites powder. और जब water add हो जाए, it becomes hydrated, turning into that brilliant blue color. It's a real game changer, so don't mix these two up.
Next up, the reversible process. This is where it gets really cool.
Check out this chemical equation. We've got CuSO4 plus 5H2O, which reversibly becomes CuSO4 dot 5H2O. Notice those 5 water molecules. CuSO4 के साथ exactly 5 water molecules attach होते हैं, forming the hydrated version. ये formula आपके exams के लिए incredibly important है, so make sure you memorize CuSO4 dot 5H2O right now.
So let's review the exact steps of this reversible process. Step 1. You start with the white anhydrous copper 2 sulfate. Step 2. You add water. It becomes hydrated and magically turns blue. Step 3. You heat that blue hydrated sample. It loses the water and turns right back to white. Simply put, जब आप उस blue hydrated sample को heat करते हैं, तो heat उन 5 water molecules को evaporate कर देती है, driving them completely away. और हम वापस step 1 वाली dry white powder पर आ जाते हैं. It's really that simple.
Alright, section 4, time for the MCQ knowledge check. Let's see how much you remember.
First question up. What is the color of anhydrous copper 2 sulfate? Is it white, blue, green, or yellow? Have a quick think. And the correct answer is white. याद है ना वो rule? Anhydrous means without water. और बिना पानी के ये powder हमेशा white होता है.
Moving on, what color does anhydrous copper 2 sulfate turn when water is added? Is it blue, white, red, or pink?
Yup, it's blue. वो test tube वाला stark visual अपने mind में recall करें. एक drop of water and it instantly turns blue.
Question 3. Which substance is used as a chemical test for the presence of water? Your options are anhydrous copper 2 sulfate, potassium permanganate, sodium chloride, or calcium carbonate. The answer is absolutely anhydrous copper 2 sulfate. ये specific chemical आज के इस पूरे lecture का star है. इसको कभी नहीं भूलना.
Okay, question 4. How many water molecules are present in one formula unit of hydrated copper 2 sulfate? 5, 2, 10, or 7? The right answer is 5. Just think back to that chemical equation we just looked at. जहाँ हमने 5H2O देखा था. Exactly 5 water molecules. Almost done with these. Why is testing for water important in the pharmaceutical industry? Is it for product quality and safety, changes taste, stronger packaging, or reduces cost? It's for product quality and safety. जैसा कि हमने शुरू में डिटेल में बात की थी, थोड़ा सा भी moisture medicines को totally खराब कर सकता है. So testing is strictly for consumer safety. Question 6. Which process turns blue copper 2 sulfate into white anhydrous copper 2 sulfate? Heating, cooling, filtration, or distillation? The correct answer is heating.
Heat apply करने से water is blue crystal से evaporate हो जाता है, leaving it purely white again.
And the last MCQ. What is the chemical formula for hydrated copper 2 sulfate? Is it CuSO4.5H2O, CuSO4.2H2O, Cu2SO4.H2O, or CuSO4.10H2O? The answer is CuSO4.5H2O. Excellent job, guys. Massive congratulations on mastering these MCQs. अगर आपने इनको ठीक से आंसर किया है, तो believe me, आपका असेसमेंट बहुत ही amazing होने वाला है.
Final section, SQ knowledge check. Let's do a rapid-fire short questions review.
Honestly, since you absolutely aced the MCQs, ye short written questions aptly incredibly easy honge. Let's look at the first three. Q1, why is testing for the presence of water important? Q2, describe the chemical test for water. And Q3, what is the difference between anhydrous and hydrated copper 2 sulfate? Let me quickly summarize the perfect answers for you so you're ready. Q1 का answer है simple, pharma and food industry safety के लिए. Q2 के लिए आपने लिखना है कि you add water to the white powder and it turns blue. और Q3 का difference बहुत straightforward है. Anhydrous pure white है और इसमें पानी नहीं होता, जबकि hydrated blue है और इसमें पानी होता है.
Moving right along to Q4, write the chemical equation for the reaction of anhydrous copper 2 sulfate with water. Here is that equation again. CuSO4 plus 5H2O reversibly forms CuSO4.5H2O. मेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सजेशन ये है कि आप इस इक्वेशन को लिटरली अभी रफ पेपर पर लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करें ताकि असेसमेंट में कोई माइनर गलती ना हो.
And finally, Q5. What happens to the color of hydrated copper sulfate when it is heated? The answer is super dynamic. Heating actually completely removes those attached water molecules. तो जो deep blue color है, वो change होकर वापस powdery white बन जाता है. To wrap things up today, I want to leave you with this fun thought. Can you think of any other household powders that change completely when water is added? Think about your kitchen or bathroom. Anyway, I really hope you found this explainer helpful. Thank you so much for your focus and energy today. अब सबने बहुत अच्छी तरह इन मुश्किल concepts को grasp किया है. Best of luck on your assessment. I know you're all going to do absolutely great. Catch you next time.